Installing the Apollo Group TV app directly on Roku isn't possible because Roku's platform doesn't support third-party IPTV apps like Apollo Group TV. However, you can still watch Apollo Group TV on your Roku device by using screen mirroring from another device. Here's how. 1. Enable screen mirroring on Roku. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Navigate to Settings, System Screen Mirroring. Set screen mirroring mode to prompt or always allow. Number 2. Prepare your device. On your smartphone or computer, ensure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku. Open the Apollo Group TV app or website on your device. Number 3. Initiate screen mirroring. For Android, swipe down to access quick settings and tap Cast or Smart View, then select your Roku device. For Windows, press Windows plus key, then choose your Roku device from the list. And also for iOS, swipe down to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and select your Roku device. Number 4. Once your device screen is mirrored, play content on the Apollo TV app or website. Enjoy watching on your Roku connected TV. Hope this video helps and thank you for watching.